Amaravati capital we are building, one of the best capital. Sometimes to build a capital, it is a challenge. At the same time, it is an opportunity. We can build a city, but not a capital. And also we are having one advantage, 30 kilometers both sides, waterfront. And also I can make it canal, total canals available, and also waterfront is available. I want to construct one of the best city for international standards, blue green city. It will be top 5 or 10 in the world. That is how we are planning. Ultimately, I am requesting all of you, you have some offices, and also I am requesting have one office in Amaravati. That will be the best place to live, and also you will have excellent productivity. That is how we are building that city. So many advantages are available. What all I'm requesting all of you. Last time also I used to go so many meetings here. Every meeting people used to talk about India. There was hype for India. Even today if you see world is growing at the rate of 2.78%. India is growing at the rate of 7.4%, 7.5% first half yearly. Whereas Andhra Pradesh is going 11.8%. 4% more than all India also. I am confident this is the first state which is growing very high. Next year I am planning 15% growth rate. Continuously 2 decades we want to grow around 15%. For that I require your support. Competitiveness you are working. That is one area. Second area I wanted to know from you best practices in different walks of life. Either agriculture or horticulture, livestock or manufacturing, even urban development. If you can give me all these things, we can have advantage. From the beginning, I am the person from political side. Our Bajaj is here. He is the senior citizen, and senior member of our family, Indian family here. He is the person from the beginning regularly. Wherever he is there, he will come to Davos. When I was in power, nearly 9 years, I used to come. Hi. And also, second year, I am coming now. Continuously, I am also coming. We are the regular contributors for our World Economic Forum. You have to work with us for development of India and also for the development of Andhra Pradesh. With these friends, future is for India. No doubt about it. People all over the world are looking towards India. It is the time. We have to raise to the occasion. We have to work together and make India proud. I am confident by 2050, we must have some vision. India and China. These are all the two countries. Long back, I predicted China will have a problem. Now it is slowing down. There is a problem. Now India is rising. If all of us will work together, then I am confident India will dominate China over a period of time. That is going to happen. Always for a healthy competition, we must be ready to compete. So with all these things, excellent evening. Every time whenever I come here, I am getting so much of encouragement and also so much of energy. By seeing some of the companies who are all here, I want to compete with you for the development of Andhra Pradesh. Same spirit I am taking, how private company is working. Same we want to compete on IT with Infosys. They are doing extremely well. Even my e-Pragati, every service will be online. Even ultimately revenue records, everything will be online. Just like shares, how it is on DMAT. Same thing, all my records will be online. Any landowner can see his document. No need to have any passbook. It will be available online, and then that report is enough to draw money, everything. So these are all the various innovative ideas we are working. Anyway, this is only dinner meeting. You are all busy with your own activity also. I am very happy we will meet up. We have started our office also here. Sir, don't comment anything on that. You are so always, you are creating problems for me. As a well-wisher, you have to wish me best. Don't create problems for me.
All of us wish you all the best. All of us wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good night.